Visit us on onestepenglish.com.
Hello. Welcome to English Conversation course of One Step English.
Today, we are talking about electronic conversation.
Electronic conversation. While face-to-face conversations are still considered to be the best ones, people everywhere are depending more and more on electronic devices for communication. Apart from the fixed telephone, conversations are now also carried on through cell phones, email, social media, and other electronic devices. Email. Email, or electronic mail, enables written conversations that are either typed on a computer, or cell phone keyboard, or entered on a touch screen on a cell phone, or other electronic device. In order to use an email, you need to have an email address, and you need to know the email address of the person with whom you wish to communicate. Email address. Email addresses can be assigned by the company that provides an internet connection, or through companies that issue subscriptions through the internet. Domain. Domain is the type of organization that is providing the email account. Here are some examples of these final domain letters. Com. Commercial. The most widely used suffix, preferred by businesses. Edu. Education. Used for schools, colleges, and universities. Gov. Government. Used for government organizations. Net. Network. Most commonly used by internet service providers. Org. Organization. Primarily used by non-profit groups and trade associations. IM. An IM is an instant message, designed to get the immediate attention of the person contacted. Texting. Texting is the practice of sending written messages from one cell phone to another, using the receiver's telephone number. Texters often leave out the vowels in words, or make up abbreviations in order to communicate faster. For example, CD, could. CLS, class. CN, can. HV, have. PRNTS, parents. SNDY, Sunday. TCHR, teacher. WD, would. Tweeting. Tweeting is the practice of sending written messages to the general public through a commercial website, called twitter.com. Acronyms. Acronyms are combinations of letters that are used as abbreviations to replace words and expressions. Following is a list of commonly used acronyms and other symbols. I'm happy. I'm unhappy. At. Tonight. For. Forever. For you. Emergency. About to. Also known as As a matter of fact. As soon as possible. Absent without leave. Are you serious? Boring beyond belief. Because. Before. Bye for now. Best friends forever. Been there, done that. By the way. Bring your own bottle. Chief Executive Officer. Do it yourself. Estimated time of arrival. Easy. Frequently asked questions. Friends. For sale by owner. For your information. Get a life. Get out. Great. Have a nice day. Instant messaging. In my opinion. In search of. Later. Laugh out loud. Long-term relationship. Missing in action. Mind your own business. Not applicable. No problem. Not to worry. No way. Okay. Over the counter. Out to lunch. Personal computer. Public display of affection. Please. Point of view. Postscript. Rest and relaxation. Significant other. Speaking of which. Standing room only. To be announced. To be determined. Thank goodness it's Friday. Tender loving care. Talk to you later. Thanks. You. You, too. You are. With. Without. Wait. Kisses and hugs. Why? Yeah, right.
Let's test your knowledge.
Translate each of the following messages.
One. Can you come over as soon as possible? 2. Are you serious? I'm at school. Boring beyond belief. 3. It's over between us. Sorry. 4. Laugh out loud. You're crazy. 5. See you later. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe.